Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming here with another product. This is from cherryamericas.com. This is the Cherry MW4500 ergonomic wireless mouse to prevent wrist strains with a 45-degree design. Now be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube, hit that bell notification button so you can get all the notifications of everything we do. And also be sure to see the other videos we've done from Cherry as we've reviewed a number of their products and keyboards over the years. These guys, Cherry, make some amazing industrial type office-based keyboards. Ones that are super ultra quiet, ones that are great for gaming. They make ones that the keystrokes and everything are just going to move smooth, accurately, and last a ton of years for you. So pretty amazing stuff these guys built. They have built numerous different mouses that we've reviewed. And this one is a special one that's great for keeping you from getting wrist strain in your wrist while using your mouse a lot. It's a pretty nice little mouse. I gotta tell you, I do have a 9-inch span hand from pinky top to thumb top, which is quite large. And so I did like the ergonomic 45-degree basis of it, and I use actually a competitor's model for my thing because my hand is so big, I need a giant mouse to be able to deal with it. But this thing did really well. Wasn't quite as big as I need it personally, but most people don't have the size of hands that I do. So I would highly recommend this. This is a great mouse for anybody who's interested and keeping away from having wrist strain. It's got a 45-degree design. It's got a precise sensor with 3-level adjustable resolution, a status LED that indicates low battery charge, 6 buttons, and a scroll wheel. Pleasant to the touch due to abrasive-proof surface finishing, and it's got an extra small nano receiver. It has a USB plug where you can just take and plug this into your computer and it will USB go through it. It will go up to a maximum DPI range of 1200 DPI. 3 different levels of resolution, of course, you can adjust on here. And it works really good, and I'm very impressed with it. Comes with a warranty you can get from them, and its scanning is infrared. It's got 600, 900, 1200 DPI resolution, 5 keys, mouse, scroll wheel with key function, and it's pretty much designed for right-handed. That may be a factor. If you're left-handed, you may want to, consider what you want to do with it. Comes in the color black, which is the single color they have for it. And it's pretty cool. You can get it at cherryamericas.com. Cherry MW4500. I gotta tell you, I was impressed with it. I definitely liked it. It probably would become my new mouse if it was really much larger, but this is probably normal for normal people's hands, so I think you're gonna love it and you're gonna enjoy it. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.